Hey everyone, so I made it into New Marshalls. Look what they have here, so cute. $15. Little Betsey Johnson, a gummy bear necklace. You want some blinged out hoops, those are 10. And look at this one. Oh, that's something you wear on your coat. Little doggy one, 13. They have a present bows. These are by C&C California. And oh my gosh, they even have a pig. Let me show you. How do you guys feel about the pigs? Those are 10. A cute angel for 15. And this looks like a cat, right? A cat for 14. I was gonna say umbrella, but you know. Oh, here's flamingos for 10. With the Santa hat and some more trees by Betsey Johnson for 15. The blinged out and some snowflakes. Let's see, let me pull this one out. Oh, look at that, you got a snowflake, present, like candy cane type of hoop. Those are kind of cool for 13. I like how Betsey Johnson puts out her gummy bear stuff. It's like really, really cute. Tons of earrings in here. Rachel Zoe. And then let me walk over here. So we've seen this before, you know, the mommy and me bag. These are 20. I'm only finding them in pink though. Let's see, you get the little wallet with a zipper and a card holder. Those are 20. And $20. We have sack roots. Oh, they even have a cross body bag, and you get a little wallet too. See, there's no price on that one. Here's the sack, crossbody, and card holder for 40. And down here at the bottom, so we've seen a red one in another Marshall's location. Today is kind of like the gray, black, fuzzy handle. Oh yeah, we've seen this one, the red one. This is 24. $24.99, so I'm just gonna round that to 25. Oh, they do have a black jelly one. Okay, oh look. Little earbud case. They're like jelly earbud cases. That is kind of cool, you know, if you want to get fancy and cover up your AirPods. What is this one, a travel? More Betsey Johnson, little crossbodies, and the little mini wallet. Steve Madden, of course, on top. Little backpack and card holder, $30. And 20. Oh, look at that scarf. It's actually quite nice. And you do get a really, really nice wristlet. That's a nice one. And you know what? They have a hot pink one. I did find more blinged out earrings, you guys. $13. Like a champagne glass. That is really, really different. And more by C&C California. That's only 14. And let me bring this one up. Now look at this gold one. These are still around. But check this out. It's like half a heart bag for 20. Look at that. That is like really, really different. Can I carry it like that? That is so different. And you know what? It also, make sure that don't drop. Push this in. Hold on. They also have it in a black. What do you guys think about that? It's just really different, right? Maybe for Valentine's Day, I feel like more. These are 20. Oh, those are different too in the back. Oh, they have a red one. This red is 15. What'd you do? Oh, try to put it together?
Yeah, I wouldn't. So are you a heart's half empty or heart's half full?
I don't know. Some socks, Snoopy, a Minnie Mouse, of course. Oh, what is this one? $5.99. Oh, like a little animal figures in that. Let me turn this around. Grinch, the child, more Grinch socks. Let's see, you get 10 pair for 7. And let's see, those are $5.99. $5.99. So they have an entire collection here of Disney. And now, you know, most of this we have seen before. We have seen all of this actually. Let me pull out this Winnie the Pooh plate. So cute for $10. $10 for him. They still have the board. That's gonna be more like a little tray, and here's a plate. This plate is only $5 bucks. And I'll check the mugs for you again. These are $4, $3.99. And let me get the bowl. Like a piglet on his back. They're like, hey Pooh, you're my friend. 10 bucks. Here's a side. It's like so stinking cute. Let me show you.
Let's go check out the toys for Ava. Come on.
And $13, like a little mixing bowl. That is kind of cool. I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, they even have the mug. I love that. Oh, you know what? No price on it. I'll have to find out for you. Can you flip that over for me, babe? Ooh, and this one you get $13.
Mugs. Yeah.
Okay, so these mugs are $13. Here's a utensil holder, Minnie Mouse, on sale for $7 because there's a little tiny chip. I feel like you could totally fix that. And look, okay, set of 4. Again, normally you can never find it in like a 4 or a whole set. So that's kind of cool because you know they sell them individually. I'm loving you can find that. These are $15. And some ornaments down here. These are $7. Season greetings. Look, it's only $20. Oops. Let me bring it up for you. We have the snowman here. Can you see them? We have Snoopy. Okay, I hit the Disney jackpot. $8. Look at that. So cute. You get 2 of them. I believe it says holiday kisses in the back. Let me scoot this over, push that back, and look, Life's a Beach. $8. They do have a Stitch one. So cute. I love Stitch. And I've never seen these. Oh no, don't. I hate how they pile it up like that. Ooh, for that Disney lover. You know, a lot of people make fun of Disney adults. Somebody said Disney adults are more scary than like your regular boy band or something like that. $8. It was something on TikTok I was reading.
Yeah, there's some weirdos out there.
I'm not that crazy. I miss Disney. It was always our go-to right next door, you know. And when I was able to finally afford, take everybody, you know, so there's a lot of memories there. Look at this one, it's different. Ooh, I'm glad they're different. Same price, $8. And up on top, you guys, let me bring it down. This one is $17. And $13 for Winnie the Pooh. You know what? I would love to have a cup, just a Piglet. There's something about Piglet I feel like maybe we all can relate to. I know that sounds so weird. Little gingerbread man bowl for $5. A microwave and dishwasher safe. You know we love that. You know, there's so many dishware where you can't put it in the microwave or anything. Oh, these are cute down here. Are these glass? Ooh, they are. Okay, normally we find the bamboo ones like right here up in Home Goods, right? But today they have the glassware, which is really nice. $4. Let me turn it around. Dishwasher and a microwave safe. They have like your medium. That's only $5.99. I want to say maybe $9. Oh, $8. Not bad. Not bad for $8. I don't think so. It's actually really cool. And look, Star Wars again. You get 4 in here. This one's a little different. And this one's going to be $13.